Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm taking you along going to Ikea for the first time ever and also going out to dinner with my husband. We needed to get some office chairs, and you'll be seeing these chairs in some of my videos. And we also got one for my husband. So we got 2 office chairs, and then I got one other thing that I just kind of picked up. But it was fun to walk through with him. Without the kids, we barely ever go anywhere without the kids. So this was a really nice treat and a special occasion for us to be able to go out and do something together and have a nice time and just kind of dream and think about things that we might want to add to our wish list in the future. So we had a nice time, and I thought I would bring y'all along. So let me know what you think. Also, if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the thumbs up button if you like the idea of going out on a date with your husband. And let me know in the comments what the last date was that you had with your spouse, or something that you would like to do in the future sometime, or something that you've done maybe with friends recently that was super fun and maybe out of the ordinary. Let me know in the comments. I just went through the entirety of Ikea, and this is all I'm getting for $1.99 besides office chairs.
Yay.
My husband held my hand and walked really fast through the whole store. So we're staying on budget, except for $1.99. Because mine are really old. This is like the Costco of furniture. Go. Probably been like 4 months since we've been on a date, like outside the house.
Oh, it's not Friday. It's just the weekend.
Oh my gosh. I'm not good at making decisions, guys. So this is so stressful. I don't know what to eat. Oh my gosh, so many choices. This is the only reason why we come to Red Lobster once a year or so. You're gonna go big. You're gonna go big. Taking biscuits for the kids. So that was our date. Thank you so much for coming along. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video.